are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. I'm Leah.
Nice
Thank you for coming in today. So what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be going over heart rate monitors and the importance of wearing a heart rate monitor. Before we get into that, are there any injuries that I should know about?
No.
Perfect. So we went over your PAR-Q. Everything looks great there. We have your heart rate and blood pressure.
Yeah.
And during this assessment, I may have to touch you.
Okay.
So do I have permission to touch?
Yes.
Perfect. So we can begin. So this here is our heart rate monitor. The reason we wear a heart rate monitor is so we can, we know the intensity of our workout. It can tell us when we are sick, when we are overtrained, and when we are stressed.
Okay.
So it's great to have. So what you're going to do is we're going to wet this inside part here, this rubber part.
Okay.
We're going to wet it and we're going to wrap it around. We're going to clip it in. We want to have it on the left side of our body, underneath our nipple line. And for girls, it's great because you can kind of wear it underneath your sports bra.
Yeah.
So it's perfect. You have your watch on right now.
Yes.
And you have your heart rate monitor on, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Can I see if it's working?
Sure.
Great. It's going. We're good to go. So, and I need to tell you about getting on and off the treadmill.
Okay.
So what we want to do to get on and off the treadmill, we're going to have one side on the handle here and your foot on the base. You're going to step across and you're going to hold on, and then I will start the speed for you, so you don't have to worry about that, and you can start going. And you definitely want to remember to have your safety clip on your shirt or on your pants, whichever is comfortable for you.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. You can go on up. Perfect. Clip yourself in. Awesome. We'll adjust the speed here. Okay. We'll go right there. Are you comfortable with that speed?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So I do want to also mention about some training zones that you can work in.
Okay.
So first of all, we have endurance. So that's up to 75% of your heart rate max. So that's getting from point A to point B.
Yeah.
Kind of at your own pace. The next we want to do is stamina. So that's 75 to 85% of your heart rate max. That's same starting from point A to point B without slowing down, and you kind of want to be at a race pace.
Okay.
Okay. The third zone that we have is economy. So that's 85 to 95% of your heart rate max, and that's working at a race pace without using too much energy.
Okay.
And your fourth zone that we have is speed. So that's 95% and above, and that's working kind of as hard as you can. Yeah, perfect. Okay, great. So any questions?
No.
Okay, you can safely get off the treadmill now.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna turn this down first. Power off. You can unclip yourself.
Okay.
Perfect. One hand over there. Any questions?
No.
Okay. Thank you for coming in.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.